everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to remap the buttons on your PS4 controller if it's not working. So what we want to do is go up to settings right here and then go to accessibilities and then go down to button assignments and then go to custom and then go to customize button assignment, and you can remap any button under here. So if your X button doesn't work and you can't get to this menu, you can plug in a USB keyboard. You can use your phone as a remote control, and then you can just select this, and then once you get in here and remap it, you can actually use your controller. So here's X. We can remap this to a different button, and then maybe we can go to like the square button or the O button, and we can remap it to X so we can actually press things for a little bit. And then once we remap it, most of the time I remap my R3 button to X, so this is the jump button, so that's what I like to do. So that shouldn't be too much of a problem. And we can go to confirm, so let's do that now. And I'll show you how it's remapped. And then you can use that button to press X now, the R3 button. So we can disable this quicker if we go to the accessibilities option under the quick menu. You can see I can enable it or disable it here, and go to custom if you don't have this on here and just enable it. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.